How to unblock your WeChat account. In order to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser and then in the search bar, search for WeChat customer service. Now head over to the very first site, Contact Us. It will land you on the official site of customer service of WeChat. You need to click on WeChat Help Center right over here in order to find the solution. Now simply select How do I unblock my account at the very first. It will be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can unblock your WeChat account. Well, if it doesn't help, then scroll all the way down and here in the number 9, you have to click on Tap here to provide a detailed information. It will land you on this page. Now in this page, you have to fill up some of the information that has been asked. Select the platform, reason, categories, and in the description box, enter the problem that you have been facing. Mention that your account has been blocked and please help me recover my account. Once done, enter your WeChat account and also email address associated with your account. Once done, tap on this checkbox and then click on Submit. Now within 24 hours, your account will be unblocked. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.